K says K. K is for kiwi, shuffle along. Clumsy feet and a beak so long. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle along. Can you shuffle your feet like a kiwi? Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. You've got it! K is for kiwi. K is for kiwi. K is for kiwi. K says K. L says la. L is for long-tailed bat in the night. Pekapeka loves to fly. Flap, flap, flap in the night. Can you flap your wings like a long-tailed bat? Flap, 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 that's it! L is for long-tailed bat. L says la. M says m. M is for Maui Dolphin in the sea. Pōpoto swimming wild and free. Swish, swish, swish your tail with me. Can you swish your tail like a Maui Dolphin? Swish, 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 swish. Well done! M is for Maui Dolphin. M says ma. N says na. N is for New Zealand fur seal. Kekeno hunting for his meal. Searching for a fishy meal. Can you flap your flippers like a fur seal? Flap, 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 flap. Look at you go! N is for New Zealand fur seal. N says na. O says o. O is for octopus. Can you see Wheke hiding in the sea? Creep, creep, creep along with me. Can you creep like an octopus? Creep, creep, creep. Wow! Great creeping! O is for octopus. O is for octopus. O is for octopus. O says oh! A, B, C, come along with me. Learning through the land and sea. From the green, green forest to the deep blue sea. Learn with Tipi the sea. That's me! Can you find somewhere in Aotearoa where one of today's animals lives? Maybe a beach, a river, a harbour, or even your local wildlife reserve. Remember, good explorers always look carefully and leave nature just as they found it. A, B, C, come along with me.